Technology Trends by Carissa Pinkerton-Spriggs for Liberty University, EDUC 630. The Agenda. Chapter 1, Introduction. 2, Current Technologies. 3, Rising Technologies, AI. 4, Rising Technologies, VR. 5, References. Introduction. As a third grade teacher that teaches all subjects, I would like to research current and rising technologies for science. Many educators believe that STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, learning is the way of the future, and science is becoming more essential in the workforce. Robler and Hughes, 2019, page 389. With this information from this research, I would like to help my students become comfortable and successful at integrating STEM technology into their academics. Current technologies. Robotics is a program where students can work with coding and robots to program them to obey certain commands. Nearpod is an application where students can go on virtual field trips to help learn about different environments and ecosystems. Virtual labs allow students to see virtual phenomena and can provide adaptable guidance to students as they work. Robler and Hughes, 2019, page 398. Rising Technologies, Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence, better known as AI, can be used to monitor and assess student performance. Brown, 2019. AI can support hands-on learning and high engagement, can address various frameworks, abilities, and motivations for students, and student perceptions can change using AI. A quote from Brown 2019 says, quote, "Perceptions of technology changed from, quote, the computer is smarter than me, unquote, to, quote, I'm smarter than the computer, unquote." The evolution of artificial intelligence. About 50 years ago was the first iteration, and it was originally based on a system of rules, logic, and reasoning. Artificial intelligence today deals with cognitive computing. This is currently the era of cognitive computing, which means machines can mimic human actions. The future of artificial intelligence will hopefully be the engagement with humans, possible engagement in conversations, and robots may be able to comprehend and infer meaning in those conversations. AI in science. Cognimates is a website that can allow students to use AI in the classroom. Students can work with microscopes, robots, and practice water kinesis. Students can connect with devices such as a Lego Wido and Muse EEG headset to control objects and create new things on Cognimates. Advantages of AI in science. It allows students to manipulate different objects using robots, allows students to become more creative in design making, and will help students prepare for any future careers or jobs that involve STEM. Rising technologies, virtual reality. Virtual reality can be otherwise known as VR. Virtual reality and virtual classrooms are being formed to assess students in a new technological way. Some virtual classrooms are designed to aim specifically at the assessment of students with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or ADHD. Rizzo et al. 2000. Environment and learning are systematically controlled and manipulated within the virtual environment using virtual reality. Virtual reality in science. ThingLink is an interactive application that covers multiple topics, including language arts, art, and science. ThingLink allows students to virtually travel around the world and the students can learn different things about that ecosystem. VR 2017. Advantages of VR in science. It allows students to see places they've never been, for example, virtual field trips. VR allows students to be able to explore things that the naked eye cannot see, just like using microscopes. And VR will help students prepare for any future careers or jobs that involve STEM. And these are my references.